Hello guys, this is Minus369 here, and today we're going to be doing a theory video about Wonder Free Slaughter Mystery. Now, my theory is Tim Denson's guard dogs. I don't mean literally dogs, but like the puppets. I think Tim Denson created them, and he probably did, but anyway, I think he made them to actually guard the place. Now here's the reason why. Well, if you're playing as a criminal, it would make sense for them to kill you. Well, for one, you're actually in your home or something. So, we might, be breaking in on someone's property and they want to, kill us because we're breaking in their property or something. This is like my second theory video, I think. So, I actually commented on someone posted some tease theory video about Wonder Free Slaughter Mystery. Talking about my theory, but then I wanted to make a video about it. Anyway, so Tim Denson, creator of the puppets, might have created them to guard his place, something, like take his throne, like how a king dies and then the prince takes the throne. Although, why? But yeah, gotta go.